Hot girl summer is here, but so is sweaty girl summer. So in this video, I'm showing you 8 summer outfit ideas for when it's hot as outside. For our first outfit, I'm keeping things super sweet and simple with this black ribbed crop top from Jeans Warehouse and black denim shorts that I thrifted. I love a simple casual outfit like this because it covers just the right amount of skin, and that's why it's my go-to outfit for keeping me cool on a scorching summer day. And in case I need some extra sun protection, I added this button down from Princess Polly. I also featured this in a recent haul with them, and you can use my code Michelle for 20% off the entire website till the end of this month. It's super thin, lightweight, and breezy, so you won't overheat in it. I accessorized this look with sunglasses that I got from Ross, a brown belt that I recently thrifted, and some black booties from Forever 21. And I will also be linking all of the items that I mentioned, so make sure to check out the description box. Picnics are fun and all, but don't just have a picnic, be the picnic. This adorable gingham wrap skirt is originally from Shein, but I just thrifted it, and it's definitely one of my favorite finds because it fits me so well and is so lightweight and breezy. And I paired it with a white tie front top from Jeans Warehouse, and on my feet are a pair of beige mules, and I think black ones would look even better. I accessorized with my round rattan bag from my recent trip to Bali to play up the picnic vibes. Our third look is one of my favorites because of how comfortable and effortless it is. I'm wearing a striped beige jumpsuit from Jeans Warehouse, and I actually just altered the hem on these because they used to be way too long for me, and you can find that video of me altering my clothes on my channel. I'll leave a link to it in the description box. I paired the jumpsuit with a white smocked tube top from Jeans Warehouse underneath, some tan heels, and a border hat from Target. And because the jumpsuit is kind of loose around my waist, I cinched it in with the same brown belt from the first outfit to give me a little bit more shape, and I actually really love how this turned out. The belt also adds a more interesting element to the outfit and makes the outfit look less plain, and I'm also just loving the neutral tones of this entire look. Next up is a very simple look, but what makes this interesting is the jeans. They're high-waisted with a belt tie and they're flared at the bottom. They're so fun and funky, and they seriously just make me want to dance when I wear them. And these are from Jeans Warehouse. I also love the lighter wash, which is perfect for the summertime. And I just paired it with a ribbed white bodysuit, also from Jeans Warehouse, and the same tan mules from earlier. I think black mules would have been great too, especially to match my purse and my sunnies. Disclaimer, this rattan bag makes a number of appearances throughout this video, and I'm not sorry because it's such a perfect summer piece. But anyway, this next outfit is another super comfy and casual one. So I'm wearing a white smocked frilly top from Jeans Warehouse, and I love the cut and silhouette of it. It's just so dainty and feminine, and as you can tell, I really like white and beige because they're the perfect color scheme for summer. But anyway, as for my pants, they are linen. Linen is a summer staple, and this pair is from Princess Polly. So moving on to our sixth look. Sometimes all you want to do is wear a little dress because it's just so damn hot outside, and this dress is perfect for that. This one is from Princess Polly again, and I'm so in love with how breezy it is. I love the baby doll fit, the tie front detail, the ruffle hem, and the low back with the buttons going down. The straps are also adjustable, which is very much appreciated by a small-chested woman like myself, and I think the sage green color is so gorgeous and unique. I also added snap clips to my hair again to play up the baby doll vibes, and I paired it with the same tan mules from earlier. This next outfit is a very LA outfit, I feel like, but I still enjoy wearing it because of how chic and put together it looks. So I'm wearing this ribbed one shoulder top from Princess Polly, and I'm totally in love with the one shoulder trend happening right now. It turns a basic top into something much less basic, which is something I always look for when I'm shopping. And I tucked it into a pair of high-waisted denim shorts that I thrifted and cut from Jeans, and my belt is definitely not Gucci. It was $5 from Jeans Warehouse, and I actually really love it for how minimal it is. On my feet are these black slip-on loafers from Target, and they have a gold bar in front which matches the gold hardware on my belt, all of my jewelry, my sunglasses, and my purse. And it's little things like matching the colors or tones of an outfit that I think are really important in making an outfit seem super put together. And finally, onto our last look. I'm kind of channeling my inner blogger mom with this outfit, but this look is something that I would pick if I just wanted wanted to throw something on, something simple, comfy, and casual, but still look really cute. So I'm wearing a striped tie waist romper from Jeans Warehouse, and I think it would make the perfect beach outfit to throw over your bikini or walking around a beach town. And I kept it casual with these brown cutout sandals, which kind of look like Hermes sandals, but these are also from Jeans Warehouse. And of course, I have my rattan bag and Target boater hat to finish off the look. Okay, you guys, so that is all for today's video. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to see more videos from me, and press the bell to turn on my notifications. Comment below which outfit was your favorite, and I will choose someone to shout out at the end of my next video. Connect with me on my social medias. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!